Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video we'll show you what to do if your laptop keyboard is typing the same letter over and over again and you can't seem to fix it. So to fix this, first right click on the start icon. Now select device manager from the list. In the device manager window, expand keyboards. Here you should see your laptop keyboard. It is usually named standard. Right click on it and select update driver. Now select browse my computer for drivers. Now click on this let me pick option. Now select the standard driver again and click on next. Now this will update the driver. After that, restart your laptop and see if the issue is resolved. However, if this does not work, open the device manager again, right click on the keyboard driver and select uninstall device. Now select uninstall again to confirm. After that, simply go ahead and restart your computer one more time and your issue will be solved. If you are still experiencing problems with a specific key typing continuously, try lifting it up slightly and cleaning the dust underneath it. But if that does not work either, your last option is to get your laptop keyboard repaired by a technician. They should be able to fix any hardware related issue. If you have any questions about this, feel free to ask them in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe.